the body because your circulation is not happening anymore. You are not flowing anymore. Why it stops? Because we want happiness to be permanent. So we block things. So उससे क्या होता है कि the flow stops. When flow stops, suffering starts. Suffering starts, cancer happens. But if body keeps on flowing, your psychology also keeps on flowing. Means happiness comes. Don't say let it be permanent. आया है, enjoy it and remember suffering is coming. When suffering comes, don't think it is permanent and commit suicide. It is also like a night. Morning is coming. When you are into a darkness state, you are taking birth again. You're not dying. So this is our psychology not understanding the Sanatan of movement. So even in your life darkness, if you have something really soft and original and connected with life, it will never get destroyed. It will find energy to grow. This is what trust means.